Welcome to the installation video for the Sunbooster Vertical Plus. Here you can see sample test certificates included with every Sunbooster Vertical Plus set. These certificates confirm that each individual set has been tested and exceeds the guaranteed minimum performance. Now let's begin the installation of the Sunbooster Vertical Plus. First, remove the strips from the box. It is recommended that 2 people carry out this step. Next, lay the strips out on the ground. Now sort the strips according to their type to avoid incorrect installation. There is 1 end strip for the top, 1 end strip for the bottom, and 4 center strips that are installed in between. It is essential to ensure the correct polarity. The positive terminal is on the left side, and the negative terminal is on the right side. If a privacy screen is already installed in your fence, you can now remove it. Depending on the fence type, it may also be necessary to remove the end rails. Now we begin installing the Sunbooster Vertical Plus. Again, it is recommended that 2 people perform the installation to avoid damage or installation errors. Important: do not install the strips in freezing temperatures. It is also essential to maintain a spacing of 5 fence rods between the installation points. Be careful not to bend the strips excessively, as this could damage the solar cells. Take your time with this step and follow the installation instructions carefully. Next, connect the side connectors. Screw the cables together while ensuring the correct polarity. Connect positive to positive and negative to negative. The Type A strip is installed at the very top, while the Type C strip with the MC4 connector is installed at the very bottom. You can now route the cables along the fence. Cable ties are ideal for securing them in place. Next, connect the connection cables to the inverter. Detailed installation instructions for the different system configurations can also be found on our website. There, you will find a comprehensive explanation of how each system variant must be connected to the inverter. For a balcony power system, simply connect the inverter's AC cable to a standard power outlet in your building. If you have a larger Sunbooster Vertical Plus system, it must be connected by a certified electrician, as the Sunbooster Vertical Plus is considered a conventional photovoltaic system and is connected to the grid using a 3-phase connection. If you have any questions regarding the installation, please contact us by email at b2b@sunbooster.com. To monitor your system's performance, install the inverter app on your smartphone. You can find it at sunbooster.com under Service Video Tutorials. Finally, reattach the cover rail to your double wire mesh fence and secure it with the screws. And that's it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the benefits of vertical solar energy.